I'm Josh, and this is the Bacon Lodge. Today we're going to be going over how to clean saw blade on this chop saw. This would be the same procedure for any circular saw blade. What happens is over time, the teeth from cutting through the wood, they get sap and varnish and all other kind of crap built up on the edges of the teeth. And when you go to cut, especially through hardwood, instead of it cutting nice and smooth, it'll actually resist you, push back, and it'll start smoking. The blade I have on this saw is a Diablo blade. They're $15. It's not a huge amount of money, but like if you're using a ultra fine cut, which are like $25, or if you were a 10-inch on like your table saws, they can get pretty expensive. So this method of cleaning costs almost nothing because I use a chemical that pretty much everybody has. We're going to see if it works out for you.
You can see that all of the teeth are built up with gunk. What happens when it gets built up like this, when you try to cut, it just smokes and cuts like crap. You can see how much crap is built up on there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to clean it using the Works toilet bowl cleaner, because it's what I have. And I think it'll work because it cleans everything else. So I'm going to soak it in this for half an hour, and then I'll come back and I'll scrub it and I'll show you if it works. And if it does, it'll be an exciting achievement in my life that I cleaned something.
So I just took it out of, I'm just going to take a scrub brush to it. It looks like it's getting pretty clean. I know you can't see it right now, but let me scrub it off, and I'll rinse it off, and then I'll show you how it looks. Dry it off so it doesn't look so shiny for you. And then you can see all of the teeth look like brand new. But you could save it by just cleaning it. So just soaked it in the toilet bowl cleaner. I think it's the Works. Actually left it about an hour because I kind of forgot about it. But I came back and scrubbed it off, and all of the gunk is completely removed off of the teeth. That'll make it so it's like brand new again. So we got this all put back together. We're going to test it out now. I'm going to grab a chunk of walnut. We'll zip through that and see how it works. This is just a scrap piece of walnut to show you that it's cutting pretty well. Now, before it would start cutting through this thick of walnut, it would just start smoking and be a huge mess. So I'll show you how it works out. Kind of hold it here and try not to cut my finger off. I cut way smoother than I did before, and a lot faster. You can see how smooth the cut is there. So, pretty cool. Okay, so that fixed it all up. It improved it immensely, so I could actually cut through things, and it's leaving an ultra fine finish on it. Overall, I'm really happy with the project that I needed to get done. Maintenance on tools is not necessarily my forte. I don't usually do it, so I'm trying to get better at that. Thank you for watching the video. I do appreciate it. If you like it, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so I can make more of these. There is a lot of other stuff in my catalog that I'm building up here. Please go watch another one and see if there's anything else you like. And if you do, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching again. May God bless you, and you have a great day.